What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2020 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8, beast of a truck. A nice bush guard, camper, everything. There goes the cops. TRD, as you guys can see. Anyways, 4 converters on this sucker. 2 there, 1 there, and 1 more there. Then it comes true dualed into a single muffler. So we continued that true dual, but took the muffler off and added a FLOWMASTER original 40 series, part number 425404. There'll be a link in the description. Dual in, dual out, 2.5. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. As you guys can see over the rear axle. Into some 4-inch angle cut tips to complete the look. There and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. There it is right there. There'll be a link in the description for the tips and the muffler. There's the stock muffler that was on it right there. See how it comes dual in? 1 pipe, 2 pipe, and then single out the back with 1 tailpipe. There it is. Looks a lot better with duals, I always agree. So tell me what you guys think. Don't you agree that it looks better with duals out the back? Let me know in the comments. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, much better. FLOWMASTER. Always that deep tone. Nothing like the original. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 101. That sounds so nice. What do you guys think? 2020. What do you guys like? The old body style or the new body style? Let me know in the comments. I like this style. It's bigger and beefier than the old style. Yeah, that's a beefy truck. Look at that. The newer ones, they went smaller on them. I don't know why they did that. They should have made them more beefy. Like a Polish sausage. Crew cab. Nice truck. Very nice. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Tundra 5.7 liter I-Force. Got a nice FLOWMASTER True Dual setup, 40 series. We appreciate our truck drivers